Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to draw on Google Docs. First, I want you to place your cursor wherever you want to go to draw. So let's say I want to draw here, right? So I place my cursor here, click on Insert, come here to Drawing. Okay, once I hover over here, I get new options. We just want to go ahead and click on New. Now we have a lot of different drawing options. We can use shapes, for example. We can use lines, can do a text box, even add images. So I'll use shapes. Look at this. We have different shapes. We have arrows to use, callouts, equations. So let's go ahead and use a circle. Okay, I'll make my circle like this. You just hold your mouse down to where you feel this is right. If you want to make an oval, you can go ahead and drag it to the left like this so it looks more like an oval. Let's go ahead and draw a person's face. But before that, we need to go ahead and remove the filling. Okay, so here this is a solid fill. You can choose between a lot of colors. So let's say I want to choose this as the person's color. Of course, you can make this transparent as well, right? I'll just choose this one as a color. Then I come here to border color. If you're okay with black, that's perfectly fine. If you want to use a darker shade for that person, you can go with as well. Now, I'll just come here, click on a line, okay? And let me show you different options. I'll click on scribble. And they also have other ones. For example, you can draw arrows, lines, elbow connectors, curve connectors, okay, things like that. I'll just scribble on here. So I'll select that and let's draw some eyes. So there we go. That's the person's eyes. Has one bigger eye than the other. This is their nose. And this is their mouth, right? And once you're done, you just save and close. So there we go. We have the person's face added. And you can be creative with that. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.